Hi, this is Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today I want to talk to you about anodizing, what it is and why it's important, and how to prepare or properly prep the surface for CNC machine parts. We'll also show you whether wet or dry blasting is the better choice, and even answer the question, can you remove anodizing? So let's dive in. Anodizing is an electrochemical process that thickens the natural oxide layer on aluminum. It enhances corrosion resistance, provides durable finish, and it also gives you the ability to add color to your parts. So you'll find anodizing in aerospace, medical, automotive, and consumer applications. But here's the thing. Before you anodize, you have to prepare the surface. Any oils, oxidation, or machining marks left on the part definitely need to be smoothed out, because they will show through the anodize or cause maybe adhesive problems. So surface prep is non-negotiable. Now let's talk about how to prep. Wet blasting is usually the best choice in gently removing contaminants, smoothing the surface, and it leaves a consistent satin finish, perfect for anodizing. Dry blasting works too, but it's more aggressive and can heat the surface up and embed material inside that surface. This is not always a good idea. Here we've got a CNC machine part taped off down the center, and we're using dry blast with 120 aluminum oxide on one side and wet blast of the same abrasive on the other. You can clearly see the difference. The wet blasted side is uniform and clean, ready for the anodized tank. Now, what if your part is already anodized? Are you able to strip that? Yes, we can definitely remove anodize. Typically, it's done with a chemical strip. After that, blasting is a great way to clean and prep for re-anodizing the surface or getting it ready for another finish. In some cases, dry blasting will remove anodize faster, but wet blasting gives you a more control and consistent finish. Especially when preserving part geometry matters, that's where wet blasting is going to excel. Last question, would you include hydroblasting or a parts washer? Absolutely. If the part has oil from machining, a parts washer helps remove that before you even begin to blast or start anodizing. Hydroblasting is also great as a final rinse to ensure no residual abrasive remain before the anodizing step takes place. So whether you're prepping, reworking, or finishing your CNC parts, we've got a solution to fit your workflow. Thanks for watching. I'm Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. You can like us on Facebook, you can follow us on Instagram, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can give us a call at 828-202-5563. And do not forget, we do free sample testing. So give us a call, let us help. Thank you so much.